Hi everybody, today we are going to be making a quilted bag. Yes, I have already made it, but I have filmed the entire process ready for you to see. So grab yourselves a cup of tea, get comfy, let's go have a look. So this bag is inspired by all the different quilted bags that are going on at the moment. Like I see them everywhere, like Oliver Bonus, in other very fancy shops. Anthropology, I think, have some as well. They're really, really lovely. So I thought I'd make my own. If you're new here, hi, my name's Phili. We talk about all things sewing and creative stuff here. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know where you're from in the comments below. So these are the fat quarters that I'm going to be using. I'm going to need to cut those into strips and then sew those together. And this is going to be the batting or wadding that I'm going to use in the centre. It's actually got, it's actually got sort of a how are we pronouncing this, a boucle sort of fabric to it on the inside, which will look quite nice as the lining, I think. But I might add another lining on the inside. I haven't decided yet. First things first, let's get these cut up into strips and then sewn together. This is what it looks like when it's all sewn together. Need to give it a good press. I've also made some straps as well, so I've sewn them end to end for the straps, and then I'm going to quilt those. I'm going to give this a good press and then quilt that onto that fabric there. Also watching a Iron Man documentary while I sew. I have quilted the straps and I have quilted one of the pieces so far. It's looking quite pretty. It's rather pretty. And that's me done for the day because it's too hot to be sewing in this kitchen any longer. Good morning, you wonderful people. It is another day and it is now 22 degrees, which is a much more sensible temperature to be sewing in, because my goodness, I did not enjoy having the iron on and doing all that pressing in what ended up being 32, 33 degree heat. It is not fun. For my international friends, I promise you, it's not because we are being fussy about the weather. It is because it's not designed. The UK is not designed to be this hot. Like, our houses are all like super insulated. We've got no aircon. It's just miserable. It's really, really gross. But I digress. Let me show you where I'm up to with my bag. Right, I have two handles and I have two panels that I've made up. Da, da, da. I quite like them. They're pretty, aren't they? Today's challenge is to get this trimmed. I need to cut some squares into here and then they will be the corners, so you'll see it when we get to it. And I need to make 4 meters of bias binding. Now I've got two options to pick from the bias binding, which is these two. Decisions, Maybe I won't do it in the viewfinder of the camera. Maybe I'll do it and then I'll let you know what I've decided. Okay, I think this one is the winner. I think this one is going to look nicer with the fabrics that I've already got, whereas this one is too, it just doesn't kind of sit right. So I'm going to make 4 meters of bias binding with this one and then trim the panels, sew them together. Job done. Can someone remind me in future videos that I actually hate making bias binding? Please remind me. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. In other news, let's stay in my dress. Can you see all those bits? That's all the fabric molting. Okay, so update. I have bias binded the tops of the panels and I have bias binded the straps and I have pinned the straps on as well. I trimmed these and I've cut, these are 4 inch by 4 inch gaps, vacancies, these little squares anyway, and so all I need to do now is attach the, well, straps to attach is the next thing, and then we're going to put right side to right side, sew down the sides and sew the bottom. Okay, so I've put them right sides together, matching them up at the top. I'm going to sew down this side, sew down that side, and then sew across this bottom, leaving these corners free, and then we'll head to the next stage. Okay, so onto the corners. All we're going to do is pick them up, pull them out, line them up, and then sew along there. Voila, the final reveal. I am actually really happy with it. I like that it's quite boxy. I like the colours actually. I didn't think I was going to like the pattern because I thought it was going to be a bit chintzy. I was worried about that. But yes, on the whole, completely approve. The one thing that I will do differently for the next one, there's 2 things. The 2 things that I will do differently for the next one. One, buy bias binding. Oh, I ended up, instead of doing 4 meters, I ended up using like 10 meters. I don't know how I managed to get that so wrong, but I used about 10 meters worth of bias binding that I made. 2, I'm not hugely keen on the fact that the fabric inside is white. Ignore the stitching, but because as you saw earlier, it was molting all over me. Also, it just looks like lining fabric. It doesn't look like a nice inside. So I've got some darker colours which I can use for that. But yeah, I'm really, really pleased. Thanks so much for watching along. I am looking forward to seeing all of your guys' makes. Tell me all about them down below in the comments. And for now, I'll see you next week. Bye!